Taking care of your dog's teeth is just as important as taking care of your own. Many dog owners focus on feeding, exercise, and grooming, but they often forget about dental health. Brushing your dog's teeth helps keep their mouth clean, prevents bad breath, and protects them from serious health problems. Using enzymatic toothpaste is one of the best ways to do this safely and effectively. When dogs eat, small pieces of food and bacteria collect on their teeth and gums. Over time, this forms plaque, which is a sticky film on the teeth. If the plaque is not cleaned off, it hardens into tartar, a rough yellow or brown buildup that can lead to gum disease. Gum disease, also called periodontal disease, is very common in dogs, especially older ones. It can cause pain, tooth loss, and infection. The most worrying part is that the bacteria in a dog's mouth don't just stay there. If the gums become inflamed or infected, the bacteria can enter the bloodstream through small openings in the gums. Once inside the bloodstream, these bacteria can travel to other parts of the body, such as the heart, liver, and kidneys. This can cause serious and sometimes life-threatening health problems. So, keeping your dog's mouth clean doesn't only protect their teeth, it also protects their whole body. That's where enzymatic toothpaste comes in. Enzymatic toothpaste contains special enzymes that help break down food particles and destroy harmful bacteria in the mouth. These enzymes continue to work even after brushing, making the toothpaste more effective than just brushing with water. It also helps prevent plaque from forming again. Another great thing about enzymatic toothpaste is that it's made especially for dogs. It's completely safe if your dog swallows it, which they almost always do. It's very important never to use human toothpaste on your dog. Human toothpaste contains ingredients like fluoride or xylitol, which are toxic to dogs. Swallowing even a small amount can make them very sick. Dog toothpaste comes in flavors that dogs actually like, such as chicken, beef, or peanut butter. This makes brushing easier because your dog is more likely to enjoy the taste. Brushing your dog's teeth may sound difficult at first, but with patience and practice, it becomes a simple routine. Start by getting the right supplies. You'll need a dog toothbrush or a finger brush and enzymatic toothpaste made for dogs. Dog toothbrushes have softer bristles and are shaped to fit comfortably in a dog's mouth. Finger brushes are small rubber brushes that fit over your finger and are great for beginners or smaller dogs. Before brushing, let your dog sniff and lick the toothpaste so they can get used to the smell and taste. This helps them feel comfortable and not scared. Then, gently lift your dog's lip to expose their teeth. Brush in small circular motions, focusing on the outer surfaces of the teeth and the gum line. You don't have to open their mouth wide or brush the inside surfaces because the dog's tongue naturally helps clean those areas. At first, your dog might not like it, and that's normal. Start slowly, maybe just a few seconds at a time. Praise them, pet them, or give them a treat afterward so they associate brushing with something positive. Over time, they'll get used to the process and even look forward to it. Try to brush your dog's teeth at least 3 times a week, but daily brushing is best for keeping their mouth healthy. If your dog absolutely refuses to let you brush, you can also use other dental care products to help. These include dental chews, water additives, and special diets that help reduce plaque. However, nothing works as well as regular brushing with enzymatic toothpaste. It's the most effective way to remove plaque and bacteria directly from the teeth. Keeping up with dental care will make a big difference in your dog's overall health. Dogs with clean teeth live more comfortably and often live longer. They have fresher breath, less pain, and a lower risk of serious diseases caused by bacteria entering the bloodstream. You might also save money in the long run because dental cleaning under anesthesia at the vet can be expensive. In summary, brushing your dog's teeth with enzymatic toothpaste is a simple but powerful way to keep them healthy. It removes plaque, kills bacteria, and prevents infections that can spread to vital organs. Always use toothpaste made specifically for dogs, and never use human toothpaste. Start slowly, be patient, and make it a positive experience for your pet. With just a few minutes of brushing each day, you can greatly improve your dog's quality of life and protect them from future health problems. Brushing your dog's teeth may seem like a small task, but it has a big impact. It's a loving act that shows how much you care for their well-being. Just like we brush our teeth every day to stay healthy, our dogs deserve the same care and attention. Regular brushing with enzymatic toothpaste is one of the easiest and most effective ways to help your dog stay happy, healthy, and full of life.